Hey there, beauties! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to unlocking the secrets of anti-aging through the power of food. That's right, we're exploring You Are What You Eat, 7 anti-aging foods for radiant skin and health. So if you're ready to glow from the inside out, stick around because we've got some amazing tips and tricks coming your way. But before we jump right into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest beauty and wellness tips. Alright, let's get started. When it comes to defying the signs of aging, your kitchen can be your best friend. Let's start with number 1 on our list. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are not only rich in vitamins A and C but also contain chlorophyll, which helps detoxify your body and rejuvenate your skin. These leafy greens are also loaded with folate, which supports cell regeneration and repair, leading to a smoother complexion. 2. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are fantastic sources of essential nutrients like vitamin E and zinc, which promote skin repair and renewal. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals, while zinc supports collagen production and helps maintain skin elasticity. 3. Turmeric. This golden spice has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and is known to brighten your complexion, leaving you with radiant, youthful skin. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, inhibits the activity of enzymes that break down collagen, resulting in firmer, more elastic skin. 4. Tomatoes. These juicy red fruits are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from UV damage and improves skin texture. Lycopene also reduces the production of collagen-degrading enzymes, preventing premature aging and wrinkles. 5. Dark chocolate. Indulge in some high-quality dark chocolate, which is loaded with flavonoids that improve blood flow to the skin, resulting in a radiant complexion. The antioxidants in dark chocolate also neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, promoting healthier, younger-looking skin. 6. Oranges. Bursting with vitamin C, oranges boost collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and brighten your skin tone for a youthful glow. Vitamin C also helps protect the skin from sun damage by neutralizing free radicals and repairing DNA damage caused by UV radiation. 7. Sweet potatoes. Packed with beta-carotene, sweet potatoes help combat oxidative stress, promote skin cell turnover, and give your skin a healthy, vibrant appearance. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which stimulates the production of new skin cells and helps repair damaged skin tissue. Incorporating these 7 anti-aging superfoods into your diet can work wonders for your skin and overall health. But remember, consistency is key. Well, there you have it, lovelies. You are what you eat. 7 anti-aging foods for radiant skin and health. I hope you found these tips helpful on your journey to youthful, glowing skin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know your favorite anti-aging foods or any other topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.